Adding a passport to your iPhone is something many people are curious about, especially as digital IDs and contactless verification are becoming more common. It sounds incredibly convenient to store your passport in your phone and use it when needed, but the reality is a bit different right now. Apple has introduced support for certain digital IDs in the Wallet app, but a full US passport cannot currently be added in the same way as a credit card or boarding pass. This often creates confusion because the option simply doesn't appear where people expect it. The important thing is understanding what is supported and how you can still use your iPhone for travel related identification in a limited but useful way. Once you know the current capabilities, you can set things up properly and avoid wasting time searching for a feature that isn't fully available yet. Try these. Step 1. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Step 2. Tap the plus add button in the top corner. Step 3. Look for driver's license or state ID. Step 4. Follow the steps to scan your ID and complete verification. Step 5. Confirm using Face ID or passcode to securely add it. Step 6. Use your iPhone at supported TSA checkpoints or apps while still carrying your physical passport.